It is a tough travel, yes. Everyone's got to do it. And some teams have to do it twice in the season as well, so that'll just depend on obviously where Haverfordwest finish, because they're a very good team. Strong. Tony's got them working really hard. You know, they're probably missing a couple of players through injuries and suspensions today, but they've still got a very good team, and I was so happy with my players today because I thought to a man every single one of them was outstanding. You know, we've got some young lads out there, Callum West, Jacob Cook, 19 years of age, Kit Margetson in goal, in tough conditions, at a tough place, you know, not just singling them out, but you know, they were absolutely fantastic, and I think they showed why we've got them into the club. And I think that's big for them, and I think that'll only kick them on further. But as a group, I'm really happy with the way that the lads played today. It's probably the best we've played for a long period of a game today, and yeah, I'm absolutely delighted with the result.
Red cards becoming a theme of the season, perhaps?
Yeah, and perhaps a couple that have been needless. But you know, we thought that a few things didn't go our way today. But I suppose that is football at the moment. It seems to be happening, you know, a little too often, and sometimes it's a little bit hard to take.
First goal in the Cymru Prem for you, talk us through it.
Yeah, I just saw the ball fall out, thought composure, settle it, get a finish away. Yeah, good achievement for myself, hopefully kick on from there. Second half we came out a lot more aggressive and trying to counter onto them and try to get as many chances as we can, and fortunately we managed to take them.
Two big games now this week, obviously Barry here, which is always a competitive game, and Netley on Friday, so yeah, we'll take Barry first, and it's important now we get ourselves ready and we're ready for that game.
What do you think you need to work on most between now and then?
Keeping clean sheets would be nice, I think. Keeping 11 on the pitch, perhaps that would help as well. But no, it's probably doing the basics well, which is what we were known for last season.
People sort of think that, you know, you should beat teams in this league. That isn't the case. Every game is difficult, so we're going to enjoy tonight. We're going to enjoy the trip home, but all focus leads towards Carnarvon on Tuesday and then into Barry next Saturday as well. So there's, you know, there's two tough games in just 6 days now, really, moving into it. So yeah, Tuesday night, all focused onto that. We're looking forward to it. Should be a good challenge. Carnarvon have started well. As it stands now, they've got Penabon later, so yeah, looking forward to seeing what they do there tonight and bring on Tuesday, because we're really looking forward to it.